Welcome back. Let's now input our values and let's see what we get, right? So inputting our value is quite a simple process. They will give you this table. So let's put our value there. So remember AB, we said area is that value you are given. My initial question, the initial question there, we said all this side were observe here, 2-inch square. Yet was given as what? 2-inch square. Here was 1.5-inch square, right? Here was 2-inch square, 2-inch square. All this side was 2-inch square. So here's the thing now. That inch square, that value there is the area. So help me check please. AB, what's the area there? For AB, area is what? 2-inch square. So I have 2. AC, observe. AC, area there is what? 1.5. I have 1.5 there. What's AD? Check please. This is A and D. Area is what? 2 inches there. 2, 2, 2. Why? AD, you said AD now is what? AD is 2. What next? BC, check. BC is 2. This is 2 here. DC, CD, up I have DC is what? 2. So I have 2 there. I'm done with my area. Let's move to length. It said length should be in inches. Our length should be what? In inches. From the question, length there is what? 8 feet. Now here's the thing. How do you convert feet to inches? Here's the thing. Let's convert this 8 feet to inches first. So note that to convert feet to inches, multiply that value of feet by 12. That's all. So that look at 8 feet here. If I'm to convert 8 feet to inches, that becomes what there? 8 times 12. I should have what? 72 inches. 96 inches there. So if I'm to convert 6 feet, that becomes what there? A 6 times 12. That's what? 72 inches. I've converted this 6 feet to inches, 72 inches. 8 feet to what? Inches. To convert feet to inches, multiply by 12. That's all. All right. For my AB, check your AB, please. This A and what? A and B. A and B, yeah. A and B is 6 feet. And what's 6 feet, yeah? 72 inches. So I have what there? 72, yeah. What next? AC. Check your AC, please. This is A and C, right? A and what there? And C. By the way, keep AC pending for now. Keep AC pending for now. Let's go to AD. For your AD, observe. AD. What's the distance there? 8 feet. Yes, 8 feet. L is 8 feet. I said 8 feet is what? 96 inches. So have 96 here. Go to BC, please. For BC, this B and C. Distance here is still 8 feet, right? 8 feet. That 96. So I have what? 96 here. Here should be 72, please. Why? CD. Check your CD. 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 Of course, 6 inches now. 6 inches. That's 72. So that's my 72 here. Now let's get AC. Now look up, please. My AC is in this form, right? So I have something of this nature, my AC. Now draw this out. You said year to year is 8 feet. And what's 8 feet? 96 inches. So this is 96 inches here. Also, year to year is 6 feet. And it's what there? 72 inches. 72 inches. Let's get here so that I can put the value here. Let me call here X. So I'll use what? Pythagoras theorem. That's what? X squared equal to what? 72 square plus what? 96 square. X squared equal to 72 square. 72 square is 5189 plus 96 square is 9216. Add them up. X squared equal to 14405. Take the square root. X equal to what? Square root of 14405. S equal to what? 120. So here's what? Here's 120. So here is 120. So I'm looking for what? AC. What's AC here? 120. So I have 120 here. I'm done with this, please. Let's get capital N. Capital N is got from what? Your real system. So for your A, observe now, for AB, where's AB? This AB, AB. Capital N is what? 0. AB, here is 0. AC is next. What's AC? This AC. Capital N is what? 100. I have 100 here. Next up, AD. Where's your AD, please? It's A and what? And D. Capital N is what? Minus 80. Minus 80. What next? BC. Where's BC? B and C. Capital N is what? 80. Here is 80. Finally, DC. Check your CD or this or CD per se. I have CD there. CD. Capital N is what? 120. So here's what? 120. Capital N is off. For small n, go for what? Your virtual diagram. So AB, AB, small n is what? Minus 1. Yes, minus 1. AC, check your AC, please. A and C, small n is what? A minus 1.25. I have this, right? 1.25. I have this. What next? AD. Where's your AD? AD. Is it AD? All right, AD. Yes, AD. Small n is what? Minus 1. Here is minus 1. What next? BC. Where's your BC? BC. BC. N is 0. There is 0. What's CD? CD. CD. That's what? CD. 0.25. 0.25. So I have this stuff there. All right, basically, now look up, please. Look up. Here's the thing. Look up. N, capital N and L. It means you're multiplying your N value with capital N value with L. So multiply this L, N, N together. This is 0. 0 times N, this 2 is 0. So here is 0. 0 is here. Here should be 0. 0 times 80 times this one is 0. Right? Yes. Yeah. Multiply 120 by 100 by 1 point. This one I should have what? 15,000. Right? Yeah. Next up. Yeah. Look up AC. What's AC? Is it negative? Small n. Sorry, you. Look at it now. AC. AC. Okay. All right. I have 15. Any value I'm putting here, I'll make sure it's positive answer, please. Make sure it's positive. If I multiply 1, 2, 3, it should be like minus, but just put your positive answers here, please. All right. Multiply these 2. I should have what there? 7 multiply and 6 by minus 80 by this. I should have 7680. Right? This is 0 already. Multiply this with this. I should have what there? Multiply, I should have 2160. So I have this 72 by 120 by 0.5. I have 2160. Right? So now look up, please. This is NNL value as this Abi. You are asked to find NNL over A. So it means that I'll divide this answer by A. This answer is this what I'm having here. Divided by A. What's your A? Is area 2. So 0 by 2. So I have is 0 divided by 2. This is 0. Abi? Yeah. This one divided by what? 1.5 as the area. So 15,000 over 1.5. My answer becomes what there? 10,000 as my answer. Divide this one by 2. This is the area. Area is 2. So it means 7682 over 2. Don't write this in the exam. I'm not showing you how it's got. There should be what there? 3840. So let me just ignore it, please. Let me just clean it off. So you should know why I got those stuff. So yeah, I have this. This divided by 2 is 0. This one divided by 2. I have 1080. So I have this, right? So here's tax now. I'll try to, where's changing t? Changing t. Go back to your original question, please. Because it says that the distance AD, I'm given only the AD changing t, right? Go to your question back. Look up, please. It says that due to radiant heat from the wall, member AD is subjected AD to what? To an increase in temperature of what? 120. So I'm giving only AD temperature as what? 120. All this one is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. They're not given. It's not given. It's not given. So here's the thing now. I'll multiply small n with this one, small n, by alpha. Observe that alpha is also only given in when? In at what point? What? AD. So point AD still yet has what? Has alpha value. So all this one does not have, right? So it becomes 0. So this one is 0. Here is what? 0, 0, 0. Why? Because AB, AD, sorry, yes, AB, AC, BC, and CD, they don't have value for alpha. They don't have value for changing T. They have only N and L. And it's not possible. Since here is not given, it becomes 0. So 0 times N and L is 0. So here it becomes 0. I'm only giving the value for what? Alpha here, for this one. So observe that. Let's get value for this one here. For your point AD equal to N dot alpha dot changing T dot L. Abi, here's the thing, please. Here's the thing. For me, AD now will be equal to, what's your N? For AD, small n is what? Minus 80. That's minus 80 times, what's alpha? Check question there. Alpha there is given as 0.6 into 10 to the power what? Minus 12 times, what's the changing T? Changing T there is 120. 120 times, what's L? AD. What's your L? AD, please. LAD is 96. Multiply everything there. AD is equal to multiply or have, observe, yes, I said small n, AD, small n is minus 1. It's not 80. Minus 1, right? Minus 1 is minus 1, please. Minus 1. A minus 1. Small n at AD. AD, small n is minus 1, please. Minus 1, right? We said at this point now, let's get N dot alpha dot changing TL value. We can only do that at what? At only one section, at section D AD. Why? Because I'm not given changing L and alpha value for other member. I'm looking for only what? Member AD in the, as shown in the question. So now, and I pick out AD. I want to get N dot alpha dot change T dot L value. So what's N? Small n is of course AD, small n is minus 1 times alpha is given the question as this value 120, and this. Such my answer becomes what? A minus what? 5.5296. So I have my answer AD as what? Minus 5.59596. I have this, please. So here's the thing now. Now we said this question says find the what? Vertical displacement of joint Let me check. Of joint C, right? So how do I do that? Now here's the thing. To find the vertical displacement of joint D, go and recall a formula, right? Recall back your formulas. So we said the formula for joint trusses is given as 1 dot change equal to what? Summation n into nl over ae. What next? Plus what? Summation n dot alpha l change in t plus what? Summation n dot change in l. Observe that this one is for fabricational error. So I'll not use this one. I only focus on what? This everything here. Because I'm not giving fabricational error in the question. So I'm not using this one now. So I'm using what? Just only these two expressions. So I'll clean this one off. It's not of use. Right? I'm not using it. Alright. So we said this becomes 1 dot change. One time is see what? Is see changing. That's changing joint C now is equal to, observe please. Let's add this value here together. Everything here together. If I had everything here together, this will be equal to, if I had everything here together, I should have about, coming. If I had 1000, if I had 1000 plus 3840 plus 1080 master becomes, here becomes, so it means that the summation of everything here will give what? 5920, right? So I have this value here, right? So also let's add everything here together. On adding this together, I should have what? Just this one coming down back. So the summation becomes what there? 5.596. A minus is there, right? So I have this. So let's done, please. So observe that summation n, and a, everything like this, from here down here. Here's the value, right? N L over a. Everything here is what? So changing, one times change is change at joint C equal to what? Here I'll be having what? 5920. Mind you, I still have E here all over. What's your E? E is given as what from the question? E is given as what from the question? What's E from the question? E is given as 29 times 10 to the power 3. That's your E value. So plus this one now should be is what? Minus. So I have what? Minus everything here is this. Minus what? 5.596, right? So divide these two. So I'll have that change in C is equal to, divide these two here. So I should have about 5920 divided by 29 times 10 to the power 3. I have is 0.2041, right?